Hello everyone, my name is Spandan Talukdar. I am admitted to the PGP course of the prestigious IIM Indore. I was also a student of Guide Me for the past 6 months. It has been a beautiful journey. It was in the month of November, I think, that Shayantani ma'am called me and asked me to join the institute. Mr. Jaiprakash sir and Mr. Sumit sir has been excellent mentors and have guided me throughout. You get to learn a lot of things during this time. I got to learn team management. I got to learn how other people think and respect their perspectives. And at the same time, I got to respect deadlines. The brainstorming sessions on Sundays were life-saving because you get a lot of knowledge about the designs you need to create. Since I was in the designing team, you totally get a taste of the corporate world before joining your MBA journey. So this is it, and thank you.